Hi. So for today's video, it's sponsored. Joke lang. Sponsored agad din. Anyways, just want to share my experience kung paano ako nagkaroon ng Nintendo Switch from walang pera, ganun na college student. Ayun. So, noong 2020, it was before pandemic. I was just a broke 19-year-old college student. It was during my freshman year. Pero may goal ako nun, bagong release kasi yung Pokemon Sword and Shield. And wala kasi akong Switch nun. So, yung goal ko nun is to buy a Nintendo Switch. Pero may problem ako nun. Wala akong pera. So, napaisip ako, saan ako kuha ng pera nun? Wala akong job, wala akong side hustles, hindi ako nagpe-freelance. So I was just a student. And saan ako kukuha ng 17,000 plus? I think I forgot the exact amount nung Switch na yon. Pero saan ako kukuha ng ganung kalaking pera out of nowhere, di ba? Kasi personally, ayoko nagre-rely sa parents for money. I mean, sure, nabibigyan ako ng baon, pero hindi ako humihingi ng pera to buy my own wants. So how did I end up getting it? So let me tell you a story kung paano nga ba nangyari yun. Paano ako nagkaroon from zero to Nintendo Switch. It was my second semester during the first year, no? And wala akong trabaho, wala akong side hustles. No real clue kung paano kumuha ng pera or like yan. But what did I have that time? I got good grades. So I remembered that time na may students with high enough GWA tawag sa school namin nun. They could apply a scholarship nun. And then what I did was I worked hard. I really studied hard that time. Got the good grades, applied for the scholarship, and fast forward, I got accepted. And the moment na nakuha ko yung money from the scholarship, nagmadali ako pumunta nun sa SM para bumili ng Switch. Fast forward, eto na siya. Now, most people would say na, ala, you should have saved that money, di ba? But honestly, yung pagbili ko ng Nintendo Switch, nag-change on how I view money itself. Amazing. That was the first time that I realized that I could use my skills, efforts. In this case, mag-aral lang mabuti to create opportunities for myself. So it wasn't just free money. It was earned. So I unlocked that console with discipline, effort. It felt like a real life achievement. Pero yung feeling na yun na-stuck sa akin siya, hindi ko na siya makakalimutan. Sobrang wow. But anyways, that was my turning point. I realized that making money doesn't always mean having a job. It's about recognizing opportunities. So using what you already have and taking actions and yung mindset na yon, that's what got me hooked on earning money. It all started with that game console, and currently, I really pushed myself to have that mindset. So ayun lang yung backstory ko. Hope you like it. Mainit pa rin. See you next time. Kindly like the video and press the subscribe button so you can see my future videos, and yun lang. Pwede mo rin panoorin yung first video ko kung gusto mo lang makita yung first video.